Welcome back guys, we are back with another bag series. We have covered a lot of bags in different videos, and in this video we are going to be covering this new brand called Doughnut. Doughnut is quite popular internationally and the design and look of this bag are very premium. In Doughnut brand, we are going to be covering this macaroon bag series. It comes in 3 different sizes, and right now I have macaroon mini, which is the smallest size, and it comes with a capacity of 7 liters. This bag comes in different colors as well, so you have a lot of options to choose from. And in this video I'll be covering about the design, the look, features of this bag, so that you know if it's worth the purchase or not. As you can see, the design of this bag is quite modern, simple, and it looks a bit premium. And it is designed in a way where you can use it for daily exploration. And the great thing about this bag is that it can be used as the handbag or the backpack. And looking at the color and the size of this bag, I think this is going to go well for the children and women. I mean, children can use it for the school or tuitions. I mean, it is so small and cute, and I think if they carry it on the daily basis, it's going to be really handy for the children. Now for women, I mean, if I am traveling, going on a road trip or a small trip, so I'd love to keep my skincare or my travel essentials in this bag because it has a very classy, versatile look to it. And I think men also can use this bag, but looking at the size and the color, I think this is gonna go well for the women and children. But it's your choice again. And now looking at this design, which covers the zippers and keep them hidden, and it's like basically protecting it from the direct rain or water, because the inside compartments are going to be completely safe from the direct rain. Here also you can see the front pocket, and it can be easily accessed. Here, like, children are going to the school or tuition, so they can keep the wet wipes or handkerchiefs, etc. here. And then on the side as well, they have given 2 side pockets. There you can keep like smaller version of umbrellas and small bottles. And going into the depth of this bag, looking at the inside compartments, the design inside is also quite similar and the compartments are very similar to it. Here you can keep your tablet, and on the top you can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 pockets, so you can keep your keys secured in the zipper pocket, your cables or chargers very easily, or if children are carrying this bag, they can keep their pencil box or stationery, etc. And even this bag is like padded from the inside, so if you're keeping your gadgets inside, it's going to be secure from the fall, etc. Inside as well, they have given 2 side pockets where you can keep your small water bottles. So in this bag also, you don't get a hidden pocket. In this bag series, you will only get the hidden pocket in the larger size of this bag. So the overall design of this bag is very classy, simple, aesthetic. And as I told you, there are a lot of colors in it, so you can choose according to your choice. I mean, looking at the size and colors in it, I would say it's gonna fit perfectly for the children and women. And if you're 5'9", 5'4", this is how it's gonna look on you. The versatility of this bag is quite good. I mean, you can style it with casuals, etc. Children can carry it to tuition, schools. I mean, it's small, it's light, so it's not going to be too heavy for the children. And overall, the design, look, everything is perfect. So that's it for today. For more videos like this, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you soon.